I want to show you how to make a Waldorf salad, but not the regular one from America. No, we're gonna do a detox version, okay? For that, we're gonna use, instead of mayonnaise, coconut. We're gonna make our own coconut mayonnaise. We just open the coconut, and what you find inside is you find the coconut water, which is one of the healthiest liquids you can drink. Yeah, so I opened it already, and this is the coconut water you're seeing right now, which I have added inside. Okay, now we will take off the meat from the coconut. Okay, here we go. Great. So we will now blend this very fine. I love this blender. So it looks pretty like a coconut milk now, or just like a regular milk, I would suppose. Okay, so obviously it doesn't have the consistency of a mayonnaise yet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put here in my saucepan, which is heated up already, as you can see, and we'll reduce it down until it has the wished creamy consistency. Like I said, it takes around 30 minutes until it's completely reduced. I have prepared already some, so this is how it looks afterwards. It's quite more creamy, as you can tell. I have seasoned it already with sea salt, pepper, and lime juice. Okay, let's finish then the dish. Okay, I'm gonna need a mixing bowl for that, and we have following ingredients: celery, French. Make sure you peel off the outside and slice it very thin, just like that one. So we're gonna add this in our bowl. Then sunflower seeds. We add this into our bowl too. Next, pineapple, which we're gonna cut now in fine stripes. We don't want to have too much pineapple inside, because otherwise the sugar load would be too much, you know. Now, red apple. We use the skin as well, as it gives a nice color effect, okay. We are going to do the same with the green apple. Well done. Great. And not too many things left anymore. Now I will add our coconut mayonnaise inside. And some flaxseed. The flaxseed gonna hold it together. They're pretty much sort of glue, if you know what I mean. And they also, of course, have a lot of health benefits, and they're very nice for your digestion. Okay. So what we're gonna add as well is a dash of sea salt, some black pepper, and a splash of lime juice. Alright, so let's maybe wear some gloves doing the mixture, okay, when we're gonna mix everything. Here we go, that's fine. And mix it really, really well to make sure that the ingredients mix their flavors together. Okay. Okay. So, what I have here is I have a plate. middle square where we're gonna put in our salad, okay? Ah, that's fantastic. All those colors, full of nutrition. And look at that. Isn't that a beauty, eh? So, what you're gonna do, you see all that dressing I still have left in my bowl. We're gonna put this around nicely. Here we go. Maybe a little bit on top. Here we go. Now I still have a few flax seeds. You can put these ones around as well. I think it's gonna look really nice. Clean up. Here we go. And now on top I have cut it in very fine strips. Carrot and leeks, and then I put it in a little bit of ice water. And what happens is it becomes really hard, you know, and then it looks like this. And I think it's a nice topper for the beautiful appetizer. And here it is, our Detox Waldorf Salad. Please enjoy.